Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update our destination at the moment in Seminyak area. Now we are on Kayu Aya Street. You see the front? There is a corner house with nice restaurant and recommended. And now we will explore together how the destination at the moment on Kayu Aya Street until Petitenget Street. Okay guys, let's take a journey in this area. But I'm gonna say sorry because my quality camera is not really good. I just use all mobile phone and without stabilizer. So that's why the quality of video is not really good. I'm gonna say sorry about that. Okay? You see on the video, this looks so busy, isn't it? There is a lot of people drive around in this area today. And there's also a lot of car and motorbike drive around. And some tourists driving motorbike too. That's really good. Okay, now I will drive in motorbike and I will update how the station at the moment on Kayu Aya Street. I have to be waiting because there's some car behind me. This is the corner house. Okay, now we are on Kayu Aya Street. Let's see together how busy this area today. Yeah, actually I'm gonna say like Bali getting better and better and more international tourism come to Bali now. See this area? It's so busy, isn't it? There's a tourist driving by motorbike. Yeah. There is more shop are open in this area too. Right side, this is red carpet. Will be busy during the night time. Okay, we continue driving. Left side, this is Lava Vela nightclub and will be busy during the night time also. Okay, we continue driving on Kayu Aya Street. You see the shop left side? Yes, some people doing some shopping there. It is quite busy today. I mean like step by step Bali getting better. See left side? You see also tourists, maybe they're waiting for a taxi. In this area on Kayu Aya Street is very famous because in this area there's a lot of villa, some hotel, and in this area also have shopping area. We call Seminyak Village, Seminyak Square, and Seminyak Art Market. This is my brother bring a nice car, BMW, it's very beautiful. And also on Kayu Aya Street there is some nice recommended restaurant, and also very famous. If you land job, Ultimo, yeah, there is the first tourist there. It's quite busy today. That is good. Is it tourist? Yeah. Yeah, again, I'm just sorry because the camera quality is not really good and not stabilizer. I'm so sorry about that. I just want to give you an information about how the real station at the moment in Seminyak area. See, there is a lot of tourists around here. It's quite busy. Actually, I already updated this area in another my channel we call Bali Travel Vlog. You can search Bali Travel Vlog and you will find my another channel. I already updated this area a week ago. So you can compare how different this station a week ago and today. Seminyak Square at the front. Looks so busy. There's a lot of car parking there. That's good. Okay, now we continue driving in Kayu Aya Street. Yeah, in this area we have big shopping mall we call Seminyak Village. You see left side? It's quite busy today. That's really good. Some people there. A week ago in this area, it's still very quiet actually. And at the front right side, there is Men's Spoon, Bosman, and Sisterfield. That's the nice restaurant. And usually this area is busy during lunchtime and also during dinner time. If I turn right there, there is the way to go to Villa area in Seminyak. And now I turn left because I will update how the situation at the moment on Kayu Aya Street. Yeah, now we are on Kayu Aya Street. In this area, behind the shop, see the shop, this area? Yeah. Behind the shop, there is a lot of villa in this area. Yeah, I can say like Bali getting better now because there's more people walk around on the sidewalk and there's more shops are open in this area. Seaside, hotel left side. Oh, sorry, the villa, seaside, left side. Yeah, and some car parking there. Yeah, that is good. It smells like some people stay here at the moment. Also on the right side, there is Warung Mangku Kedewatan. Also very famous restaurant for local people. Lots of people there. That's good. Is it the front right side? Parking in the front of the hotel. Right side, Motel Mexicola, nice cafe, and usually busy in the night time, but they close now. Motel Mexicola, right? Okay. So this is the situation at the moment on Kayu Aya Street, and now we continue driving on Petitenget Street. Yeah, now we are on Petitenget Street. You see the main gate at the front, left side? Ah, that is tourist. Yeah, there is the way to go to Petitenget Beach. Okay. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will keep trying to update how the situation in Bali. All the taxi parking around here, they're waiting for the customer. If I turn left at the front there, yeah, that is the way to go to Alila Hotel, the biggest hotel and connecting by the beach. You see left side, the Mantina and Gaya Gelato. So busy there. That's good. Or this hotel still look very quiet. That's very bad. This is tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And also at the front left side, there's this domestic tourism and some international also. They walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, finally, step by step, Bali getting better. It means like more tourists come to Bali now. You see right side, there is Biku Cafe. It's a recommended cafe. Biku. I turn left at the front, that is W Hotel and Resort. Yeah, it's very beautiful there. And W Resort, they have a beach bar. It's very beautiful during the sunset time. See? A lot of tourists there. Wow, some domestic also. That's good. On Petitenget Street, also very famous because in this area there is a lot nice restaurant, nice cafe, and also some nice hotel. The Canvas Village Resort. Somewhere there. That's really good. More shops are open, but yeah, there is some some shops still closed. I can say sorry, my English is really bad actually. I cannot speak good English, so that's why sometimes my English get the trouble. See that at the front? Yeah, there is the parking area for Legian restaurant, famous restaurant in this area. You can have Japanese food there, but beautiful place. You see the front, right side? That's my girlfriend. Walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, good. Left side, the pink color. This is Candy ice cream shop. Usually always busy in the restaurant. Right side. Yeah. Ooh, lot tourists today. And Ling Ling, nice restaurant also. Quite busy in this area, isn't it? On the left side, there is Bira Pizza and the Journal Coffee, also very famous. Taco Casa restaurant. Yeah, also very famous. And this Kison Cafe, also very famous. So many of you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.